Before running the machine, we have to install the bottom knives first. We can check out how many width we have, and then we should install how many sets of bottom knives. So in this way, during machine running, we don't need to adjust the bottom blades anymore. Now we only need to adjust the upper blades. For trimming, we have 2 sets of upper blades, and we fix the right blade, so we just need to adjust the left upper blades. Here the long handle is for the blade left and right movement, and the round handle is for adjusting the blade depth. Now we adjust the upper blade, we move to the proper position, and we rotate the round handle to appropriate depth. And we put the long handle into the middle position and lock the blade. After that, we put the long handle to the top position. So this adjusting is done. It takes a very short time.